Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a palette review, aka affordable, aka drugstore. So, funny thing, if you guys saw my last video, which I posted that last Friday, if you didn't, I will have a card up here. You can go ahead and watch that, but I did a huge decluttering of my entire palette collection, which Lord knows I had way too many. So funny thing is that the next day, Saturday, I got a PR package from LA Girl, which is this right here, and they sent over their new palette collection. Out with the old and with the new. So today I decided to test these out. We're gonna see if they are good, if they are not, if they are worth it. Let me tell you guys that the packaging is absolutely stunning. So this is what the PR package looks like. It is the Break Free Eyeshadow Palette Collection. So this beauty right here is the BU palette, which is this one. It is stunning. It is fall appropriate. This just screams pumpkin spice latte, autumn leaves, warm, cozy sweaters. I don't know. I'm gagging over that one. And the other palette is the This Is Me palette. And this is the beauty right here. This one is purples and mauves. And again, really pretty warm tone, fall appropriate looks. So, or what? Eyeshadow palette. So grab your cafecito, you guys. Cheers to you. I made mine way too light. Clink. But cheers to you guys if you have your cafecito, your wine, your beer, your water, whatever it is you have. Grab your brushes, grab your palette, and let's go ahead and get a glam together, and let's see if these palettes are worth it. Let's check them out. I've been sitting here debating whether I want to do two looks in one, like using two palettes, but I think I want to focus on one palette. Next Makeup Monday, we can do a full face bead using the This Is Me palette, which is the purple one, because I really want to use this orangey yellow brown palette. Hello. There's this girl that I follow on Instagram, and she posted this look, I think it was like last year or something, and I've been wanting to recreate it for so long. So I'm going to try and recreate her look using this palette. I hope it comes out super, super bomb because her blendability is amazing. Her name is Jocelyn, which is her right here. So I'm going to try and recreate this look as best as I can. I'm going to start off with the shade Strong, which is a very deep chocolatey brown. And I am going to start right here. Ooh. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this in into the crease. We're just going to drag that. I'm actually going to switch it to a smaller brush because I want a little bit better or a little bit more control of where I'm applying this dark shade. I don't want it to go all over the place. I'm going to keep this at the lowest part of the crease. You always want to keep your darkest colors the lowest, and then as you go up, you just want to go lighter. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that in there. I'm just going to use this Morphe brush to pack on the color. And then I'm switching to a fluffy blending brush like this to actually blend out the color. Moving on to the second shade, going back into the palette, I am taking this like more red burgundy shade, which is called Beauty. It is a little bit deeper, but it's not as deep as the one that we just used. And I'm going to use that same brush. I'm just cleaning it off in my Vermona color switch. And then I'm going to use, like I said, that same brush. Do I want to use the same brush? Yeah, see, this one's a little bit larger, so this one's more for blending. And I'm only applying it to like the edges of where that brown kind of ends. Ooh, that color is stunning. I feel like this is going to be the it palette for fall, you guys. This is so pretty, and The quality of these are like not bad at all. They're creamy, they're blendable, they're easy to work with. If you guys are having issues with blending your colors where you won't see like the eyeshadow fade, I really suggest for you guys to use like a very small mirror. This one is actually like a magnetic mirror, and it really allows me to see like the detail of the eye and see what I'm actually doing. So that little tip definitely makes a huge difference for me. I'm quickly going to grab a lighter shade to help me diffuse that a little bit more. So I'm going to grab a Sunset, which is just a orange peachy shade. Now, yeah, I'm going to use that Morphe M504. Wow, yes. I'm going to clean off that brush again and my Veramona color switch. And it looks like she had a little bit of yellow at the very end, which makes sense. So again, going into the palette, taking the matte yellow, which is called Rise. I'm only going to grab a little bit on the tip of the brush. We're going to see how this yellow is because yellow is a harder color to work with. Sometimes it can be too chalky. Okay, this yellow is really pretty. I'm going to go in with a flat brush like this, whatever you have. And I'm going to take the matte shade in the palette, the vanilla shade, which is called Dreaming. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight. And of course, we're going to apply that to the brow bone. I'm also going to kind of like blend it out here in the edges to kind of clean up any eyeshadow, and so I can make it a little more like sharp. Boom, just like that. Going back with my brush, grabbing a little bit more of that yellow shade. Make sure we don't lose any of it. This yellow is really pretty. It's more of a like marigold yellow, but it goes perfect with this palette. Next step is to go ahead and cut our crease. I'm going to do just my regular cut crease. Next look for Makeup Monday, I will switch it up for you guys so you're not like tired of seeing only cut crease looks. So now I'm going to do the same steps. I'm going to start off with the darkest shade, and then I'm going to go in with this shade, and then this one, and then yellow at the very beginning of the inner corner. She does have a yellow eyeliner in the waterline, so I'm also going to throw that in. P.S. I wanted it to look a little more orangey, so I mixed a little bit of this shade and the yellow shade just to make it a tad bit more orange. So I'm going to go ahead and just not speak through the next clips because you guys know what to do. So enjoy. For the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this metallic yellow shade. This one is called Glowing. Hello, can we focus? No? There we go. Yep, that's a yellow shade. Now I'm going to go in with my yellow eyeliner. This is also by LA Girl. These are some of the best like waterline eyeliners if you guys are wanting some colorful ones. This is in the shade Screaming. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish the lower lash line. I'm going to apply some mascara. Today I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensation mascara. I haven't tried this ever, so I'm going to try this. I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I think we will be done with this look, you guys. I love it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Super fall ready. Okay, you guys, and this is the final look. Oh my gosh, I am so proud of myself. Like, when I was looking at her tutorial, I'm not gonna lie, it looked very complicated. I was like, I don't know if I can do it. Like, I don't know, it just looked really hard, but I definitely was able to make it work. I did have to like tweak it a little bit and like mix some colors and play around with it, but oh my gosh, In my opinion, do you need this new LA Girl Break Free eyeshadow palette? Yes, this is perfect for the fall. The packaging, I just can't get over how beautiful it is. You do get more mattes than shimmers, which I am totally okay with. The yellows, the shimmer shades in here, the mattes are absolutely stunning. Very creamy, very blendable, and I love that you can, hold on, let me catch my breath. And I love that you can also mix colors and create different shades that you didn't even think you can mix. So for this like more orangey red shade, I ended up mixing this one, and a little bit of yellow just to create that like orangey fiery red. So absolutely love this palette, you guys. I knew that I wasn't going to be disappointed with the quality because I have tried these palettes before. So definitely keep an eye out for next Makeup Monday, and we can do a really pretty like monochromatic eye look with the lips as well. If you guys want details on any of the products that I'm wearing on my face, like my foundation, things like that, I will have it listed in the description box down below. Also, you guys can either click on here or on here and watch my other videos. I will have a playlist for Makeup Monday if you guys are really into eyeshadows. Also, I will have it in the description box so you guys can check out my latest videos. That is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for Makeup Monday. I hope you guys love this look. I hope you guys love this new palette. And as always, I hope you guys recreate this look. Tag me on Instagram, send me a DM, and I'm going to show you some love. So I love you guys. Stay safe. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.